Hello everyone, results of Amara Raja batteries have just been out and I just wanted to update you about the same and how management is basically forecasting and preparing and presenting the picture in their presentation. This is something which is absolutely wide for each one of us, and I believe that there is another side to that story. So I really don't want you guys to just jump onto that 45% increase in the profit before taxes figure, because the story is far more than that. So yes, that's right, that as far as the quarter 4 of FY21 versus quarter 4 or FY20 is concerned, definitely there is a jump of 45% in the profit before taxes. But if you'll consider quarter 3 result of FY21 with quarter 4 result of FY21, things are definitely at the very same pace. They are moving at the very same pace, and in fact the overall financial results, if we will compare FY20's result with FY21, you'll see a dip into the overall position by fraction of amounts. Okay, so this is something which was supposed to be told to you guys on the consolidated figures. The EPS has gone just minutely by some certain percentage. So yes, earlier FY20's overall EPS was 38 point some odd rupees, and now the same is being transformed into 37 point some set of percentages. So yes, keep that in mind. Number two, the final dividend which they have recommended to the boards and the shareholder of the company is for rupees per share. So earlier they've already provided you the interim dividend of rupees 5. So abhi, in this particular scenario, the overall dividend for the entire year remains the same which they declared for last year, that is rupees 11 only. 5 rupees interim and 6 rupees final dividend. So, and for all those who have been like willing to invest into this company, just wanted to update you guys. Amara Raja Batteries is one of the finest battery providers with the name of Amaron. You must have seen the batteries which are being attached onto your cars, your two-wheelers. Amaron is one of the finest makers out of it. There is another brand with the name of Quanta, Power Zone, Power Stack. All these are the brands of Amara Raja Batteries only. So while you must be thinking like what's going to happen tomorrow, just wanted to update you now. The latest last traded price for this particular stock on the equity market was for rupees 791, and if you'll see the P ratio of this particular industry, that revolves closely around 22 multiple, and for the same reason this particular share is also trading at the same multiple of around 22 only. Now if you'll consider that their EPS is gonna be categorized at a rate of 37, there is a possibility that there could be a gap up tomorrow. Once the market opens on Monday, there could be a gap up, but the gap up which I'm expecting here shouldn't be more than 2 to 3%. In fact, in this particular scenario, I'm expecting it to go and start out on Monday from 790 to somewhat around 800, 810, or maybe 820, not more than that. So be cautious about it. The results which have been like highlighted onto the media presentation solely emphasizing upon 45%, that's not the only thing which you need to take care of. There are many things which you need to take care of as of now. EV का business definitely it's growing into our country. Electric vehicle धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहे हैं. हमारा राजा बैटरीज का भी धीरे धीरे चीजें बढ़ेंगी. कंपनी का डेट थोड़ा सा कम है, बट एट द सेम टाइम कंपनी की जो ओवरऑल प्रमोटर की शेयर होल्डिंग है वो भी बहुत खासा ज़्यादा नहीं है. प्रॉबेबली दिस इज वन ऑफ द रीजन वाई 52 वीक लो पे भी जब ये स्टॉक 550 580 के अराउंड ट्रेड कर रहा था, तो एक टाइम पे 1000 क्रॉस करने के बाद वापस से इसमें डिप आया था बिकॉज ऑफ सम ऑफ द मूवमेंट्स विच वर नॉट हाईली एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ इट. तो थोड़ा कॉशियस रहिएगा इफ यू आर अ न्यू इन्वेस्टर, एंड इफ इन केस यू आर होल्डिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक, आई वुड रिकमेंड कि हाँ गैप अप हो सकता है ऊपर सुबह, बट थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिएगा और बहुत ज़्यादा एड ऑन क्वांटिटीज नहीं करिएगा अगर आप ऑलरेडी इसके अंदर इन्वेस्टेड हैं तो. अदरवाइज दिस इज कूल स्टॉक, आप इसको रख सकते हैं. थिंग्स आर गोइंग प्रीटी मच स्मूथ, बट जस्ट वांटेड टू हाईलाइट कि रिजल्ट्स एट पार और एज पर द एक्सपेक्टेशंस ही रहे हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा कमाल नहीं किया है एज फार एज द रिजल्ट्स आर कंसर्न्ड. So that was it. I hope this video served as a good purpose for you guys, and I hope you guys found it useful. Let me know in the comment section if in case इससे related आपको कुछ भी और जानना हो. मिलूंगा आपसे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.